Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here guys with breaking news regarding the DJI Mavic Mini 2 guys, and I have great news for you. The Mavic Mini 2 is official guys, it is coming. And it is coming real soon. An FCC label just leaked today, revealing us a whole lot of information as well as a leaked picture of what the new DJI Mavic Mini will look like. Additionally, we will also talk about the potential release date for the DJI Mavic Mini and a whole lot more information you don't want to miss on guys. So make sure you watch today's video. But before we get started guys, if you still want to participate on our free DJI Mavic Air 2 giveaway, it's still not too late guys. You can still enter, so all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. It's that easy and simple, and the deadline will be October the 13th at night. So guys, if you're watching this video and you want to enter the giveaway, which I mean, who wouldn't want to enter a free DJI Mavic Air 2 giveaway, right? So make sure you subscribe to the channel and join the Drone in Motion family. And the winner will be announced on October the 14th, guys. So best of luck to everyone, and make sure you subscribe to participate. So with that being said guys, let's dive right into today's video, which is a really exciting one guys, I have to say. So today's news are coming from Osita LB guys. You all know Osita, the most reliable source when it comes to DJI leaks. So let's get started with what we got today guys, which was something really interesting guys. So let's get started with the first tweet that Osita LB gave us today guys. So this just came out a couple hours ago guys, so this is really fresh. So we're gonna get started with the first tweet, which contained the FCC label. So we're gonna get started with a tweet right here on the screen. So that is a tweet that says the following. So this is so-called Mavic Mini 2. They share the same design. Oh, it has Bluetooth 2.4 and a 5.8G Wi-Fi and 2.4 and 5.G without the Wi-Fi sign. PS, the model name of the original Mavic Mini is MT1SS5 and MT1SD5. So we're gonna be touching in that a little bit later on why that is important. But the most important thing guys that proves the theory that the DJI Mavic Mini 2 will be happening is the FCC label. Whenever we get an FCC label leaked, we know that the product will be happening. So this is official confirmation that the DJI Mavic Mini 2 will be happening guys. So right here on screen is a picture of the FCC label. Okay guys, so that is the FCC label that just leaked today. And additionally, then we got another tweet from Osita LB saying the following. So, can I say it's time to sell your old Mavic Mini? Guys, I think it is time guys. So let's go and analyze that picture that we just got today guys. So the first thing to note is the following. We see that the FCC label says DJI camera drone. So this will most likely point out to be the Mavic Mini 2 because of the design that we see down below in the picture guys. Yes, down below we see part of the picture of what new Mavic Mini looks like. So that picture was taken from this angle right here. So we see the belly of the drone and the battery box right here. So let's analyze what we see right there and give you a brief summary of what is there. So apparently the same grills are still there. So this right here is staying the same guys. So apparently the design is going to be pretty much the same, except for a few things bits in there, and the most important thing is going to be the camera. We're going to be touching on that a little bit later on. So most important thing that we can note is guys, it looks like DJI has gotten rid of the micro USB. Yes guys, finally. So as you guys know, the Mavic Mini was able to charge via micro USB, which was a little outdated. And now if you look closely guys, we have a micro USB-C port. This is phenomenal, as most more modern devices today use this type of cable. So type C cable is the first new thing on the Mavic Mini guys. Second thing, the battery box looks to be the same guys, except now for the position of the FCC label, which now looks to be placed in a different place. So right, it looks to be that it will be placed on the cap. Third thing, the LED light guys. So the LED light on the Mavic Mini was really tiny, and it was right here. And it looks like DJI has enlarged a little bit. It's a little bit bigger now, so I liked it. I wish they had put them right here as what we see on the Mavic 2 and the Mavic Air 2, but no, it looks like they're using the same design that they did in the Mavic Mini. So I like that. I still like that they decided to make it a little bigger. The only thing that I wish that DJI adds are those red LED lights right here. Those are phenomenal when you're flying right around sunrise or in dusk. So you're flying in those scenarios, the LED lights really help you know where the drone is positioned. So those are the biggest things that we see at the moment guys. So it looks like we're going to be getting the same design guys, so that's important. No big changes, just that LED light a little bit bigger and that type C port guys. Additionally, we see the battery guys. The size battery for the original Mavic Mini was of 2400 milliamperes. So we have that right here on the screen guys for you to see these details. This was posted on DJI's website. So the Mavic Mini battery gives us a flight time of 30 minutes, and it looks like the battery on the Mavic Mini 2 has been downgraded a little bit. It's downsized to 2250 milliamperes. So is the flight time going to be less? I don't think so guys, because there's something very important that most of you might not have looked at, and that is the voltage. The voltage on the Mavic Mini is a 7.2 voltage, and the one that we find on the Mavic Mini 2 is a 7.7 voltage. So DJI might be able to tweak some things by implementing the 7.7 voltage, and we might be able to get a little bit even longer flight time even with the smaller battery. So that's the information that we have at the moment, that we can see guys, that we know that will be happening guys. So that is the information that we have at the moment regarding the FCC label. So these are great news because we know the Mavic Mini will be happening guys. Now let's touch on release date. That's what all of you guys want to hear. Well, we got word from Drone Excel a couple of weeks ago that the Mavic Mini will be happening before December. That will make sense, right? My prediction will be right somewhere around November. Why? Well, because we know that the Mavic Mini was presented at the end of October, so it will only make sense for them to release it in November, right before Christmas, right before the holidays guys, because that's when DJI sales are really good. And if you guys don't know, DJI sales at the moment are not doing the best, so a Mavic Mini 2 will absolutely bump those sales up guys. So I'm pretty excited to see what the Mavic Mini 2 has in store for us. And additionally, the two biggest things that need to be fixed with the Mavic Mini 2 are the following: camera and transmission. So what do we want with the camera? We want 4K. We know that the sensor used in the Mavic Mini is capable of shooting 4K, but DJI didn't give us 4K when they released it, and we know this because it's a 1/2.3-inch sensor, which is the same one that was used in the original Mavic Air, Mavic Pro, Spark. So we know that the sensor is actually capable of shooting 4K. So my prediction will be they will be using the same sensor, the 1/2.3-inch, and they will be implementing 4K. Now let's talk about range. according to CLB, it says that it will be using Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, if this is actually the case, I will be a little disappointed. Obviously, I don't think we're going to be seeing OcuSync 2.0 because DJI has that reserved for their higher end models such as the Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic 2. So I think we might be seeing some sort of improved Wi-Fi signal for sure. I'm hoping for at least 5 kilometers so we get a little bit of a stronger signal. So that's the information that we have at the moment, guys. So the Mavic Mini 2 will be happening, guys. Get excited because it's coming and it's coming real soon. That's the information that we have for you today here at the moment. So guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest news we post here in the channel every single day. Plus, when new leaks regarding the Mavic Mini 2 come out, we're going to keep you here updated in the channel. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in our next video.